Assalamu alaikum students. Today's our topic is applications of chemical changes. Chemical changes result in new substance. Chemical changes are taking place in our bodies, in our vehicles and in our environment. And these chemical changes produce harmful substances which result in population as you see in this picture. Next one is use of hydrocarbons as fuels. As we know that we use fuels to run our vehicles and factories. These fuels are made of hydrocarbons. We obtain these hydrocarbons from crude oil. When we burn crude oil mean petroleum. Petroleum and petrol is different. Petroleum is a crude oil from which we extract the petrol or obtain the petrol. When we burn fuels like petrol, heat is produced and we use these heat in various processes like moving our vehicles, cooking of food and in movement. In case of excessive spreading of the fertilizers are not absorbed by the plants. Then these fertilizers are gone to canals and rivers called pollution and cause pollution and encourage the growth of algae. As we know that we made these fertilizers from natural sources. Natural sources like coal and natural gas. Next one is manure. Manure is a natural fertilizer rich in nutrients needed for soil. If we chemically change it, it increases the production of crops. Fat formation from vegetable oil. A chemical process called hydrogenation changes vegetable oil into solid fat. Nickel is required for this process. In this process, hydrogen is passed through vegetable oil and it is converted into solid fat in the presence of nickel. Now we will talk about margarine. It resulted from the chemical change and it is a mixture of hydrogenated vegetable oil and skimmed milk. Why people use it? People mostly use it in place of butter. Next one is plastics. Plastics are also formed from chemical changes. As we know that plastics are formed of small molecules called monomers and plastics are polymers. Some examples of the plastics are polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride. Plastics also cause pollution in our environment. But one of the beneficial point of plastic is that we can mold it into any form and change it into any shape, like toys, cups, bottles and utensils. As I have told you earlier that plastic are causes of pollution. We can recycle these plastics. To save our environment. Now we will discuss about an activity 7.5. Take some amount of glue in a cup and add a few drops of the blue ink in this glue and mix it well. After that, put borax to this mixture. Continue adding the borax until no more liquid is visible. All the liquid will be disappear till you have to add borax in this mixture. When liquid is completely disappear, you can hold this material you have made in a cup in your hands and Have you seen like it is a have you seen is it like a plastic or not? Yes, you can mold it into any form and make any shape from it.